Hello class 11. This is your subject accountancy, chapter number 12, subsidiary books, lecture number 2. Beta, in our last lecture, we solved till question number 2, second, okay, of this chapter. So let's start with question number 3. In question number 3, they are asking you to prepare sales book of that is of Ganesh and Company Jaipur, who deals in furniture. Fine. And you have to assume CGST and SGST 6% each. Let's read the question carefully. Yes, beta. Let's start. Our first transaction is on June 4, that is sold to Gupta Furniture House, Agra. So 120 chairs, 2500 rupees per chair, it will be 3 lakhs. 25 tables, 8000 rupees per table, it will be 2 lakhs. So total will be 5 lakh. Last trade discount is 5%, so it will be 25,000. Now we are going to add IGST because that transaction is of Rajasthan and here we are doing transaction in UP. Fine. So we will less 12% IGST here. So we will have to add 12% IGST here, that is 57,000. So the total amount will be 5,33,000. Let's see is category wise. Under sale you will have to write 4,75,000 as we have sold here, and under output IGST definitely 12%, 57,000 here we will write 57,000 under output IGST, and total amount is 5,32,000. Fine. Now it is an entry of June 8, that is sold to Raja Furniture House, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. 8 Almiras 15,000 each, that will be 1,20,000. Under detail we will write here. 9 steel cabinets 20,000 each, that will be 1,80,000. We will write under detail here. Total is 3 lakh. Here we will less trade discount 10%, that is 30,000. So 2,70,000 are left, and we will have to add IGST because transaction is of Rajasthan, and here we are doing the transaction in Gujarat. Fine. Business is of Rajasthan. So definitely we will have to apply IGST, that will be 32,400. Total amount will be 3,02,400. Under sale we will write 2,70,000. Under output IGST we will write 32,400, and total amount is 3,02,400. Sold old computer. Beta, we are dealing in furniture, that's why we will not record this entry here. On June 12th, and on June 20th it is sold 4 sofa sets, but this entry is also for cash, so we will not going to record this entry in sales book. Now this is the entry of June 25th, that is sold to New Furniture House, Jaipur. So here we will apply CGST and SGST because it is also the transaction included of Jaipur. 5 sofa sets 20,000 each, that is of rupees 1 lakh. 10 tables 8,000 each, that is of rupees 80,000. So total will be 1,80,000. Fine. And here we will add CGST and SGST 6%, that will be 10,800, and total of the amount is 2,01,600. Fine. So under detail column we will write 1,80,000, under CGST 10,800, under SGST 10,800, and total amount is 2,01,600. Fine. Now we will add all these amounts here in the last column on June 30th. Understood? In this way we are going to prepare sales book, but we have excluded the entry of June 28 because it is the entry of purchase, not sale. That's why we did not include it in our question. Fine, beta. Now question number 4. First of all, see note about question number 3. In sales book, we record only the credit sale of goods. So transaction dated 12, computer sold on credit, and 20th sofa set sold for cash will not be recorded. Now let's see question number 4. In this question also they are asking you to prepare sales book. So here invoice number is also given, so we will record the invoice number also in the column. Fine. Let's see. First of all, beta, March 1st, first of all, let us see that it is of Ajanta Electronics, Jharkhand. Fine, Ranchi. CGST rate they have given you 9%. So first of all, on March 1st entry, it is also on electronics 50 musical alarm clocks 800 each, that will be of 40,000. Under invoice number we will write 1255 1255. Next one is 40 wall clocks at the rate of 500 each, that is 20,000. Total we will do 60,000. We will deduct trade discount 20%. After deducting it will become 48,000. And now we will have to add 18% IGST as well. That will be 8,640 rupees. So total of the amount is 56,640 rupees. Under sale we will write 48,000. CGST and SGST we will leave blank, and under IGST we will have to write 8,640, and under total column it will be 56,640. Fine. Now see, on March 10 they are asking you to solve that it is sold to Mohan Watch Company, Patna, Bihar. Fine. 25 deluxe wall clocks 800 each, so it will be 20,000. We will deduct trade discount 2,000 and it will become 18,000. Now in this we will have to add IGST 18%, that will be 3,240. So total of the amount is 21,240. We will write all these amount under sale, IGST and total column as well. On March 15 it is sold to Superior Watch Company, Ranchi. So we will apply here CGST and SGST, not IGST. Fine. So 75 deluxe wall clocks at the rate of 800 each, 60,000. 40 super deluxe wall clocks, 1,000 rupees each, 40,000. So it will be 1 lakh. Last trade discount 20%. It will be 15,000. So the amount is 85,000. And in it we will have to add CGST and SGST, that will be 9%. 9%. So 7,650. And the total amount is 1,300,000. Under sale column 85,000. Under CGST 7,650. Same under SGST, and total column 1,03,000. So we will total it up at the last date of the month, March 31st. Fine. We did not include the entry of March 20th because it is cash memo, so it is the entry of cash. That's why we will not include this entry in the sales book. See, under note also it is given, in sales book we record only the credit sale of goods. So the transaction dated March 20th being sale of electronic for cash, we will not be recorded. Fine. Next question is question number 5. They are asking you to prepare return outward book. Return outward means purchase return. Return inward means sales return. So they are asking you to prepare return outward book. So let's see. First of all, this entry is these are the transactions of beta Malhotra and Company, Bhiwani. So first of all, they are saying that return to Saraswati House, Bhiwani, 25 chairs, 1800 each chair, 45,000. Less trade discount 4500. The amount is 40,500. Now add CGST and SGST 6%, that will be 2,430. So total of the amount is 45,360. We will write all these amount under purchase return column, CGST, SGST and total amount. Fine, as we have done in last numericals as well. Now on August 12, it is said that one dining table sent back to Navneet Enterprise, Karnal, Haryana for not being polished. So one dining table 10,000 each, that will be 10,000, and 20 chairs 2,000 each, that will be 40,000. Total is 50,000. Here we are supposed to add CGST and SGST 6%, so it will be 56,000. Fine. We will write under purchase return 50,000, input CGST, SGST 3,000 and total amount is 56,000. Now it is the entry of August 20. Return to Yadav and Company, Patiala, Punjab for not according to sample. 20 chairs 1,500 each, 2 dressing tables 7,500 each. It will be 30,000 and 15,000, 45,000. Add 12% IGST, 5,400. Total will be 50,400. Now beta, our next transaction is on August 28th. It is of Punjab. Mistake in the invoice of rupees 5,000. So 5,000 we will write under details and then add 12% IGST 600. That will be 5,600. Fine. And we will write 600 under IGST and 5,600 under total amount. So now on August 31st, we will total it up all the columns, purchase return, input CGST, SGST, IGST as well as total. Fine. So in this way we have to solve this purchase return book. Now it is a turn of sales return book. Let's see. Beta, our first entry is, they are saying it is the transactions of Anand Cloth House, Ajmal Khan Road, Mathura, UP. First transaction is on October 3rd, Chakravarti and Company, Jaipur. 50 meter cotton cloth 200 rupees per meter and 30 meter silk cloth 500 rupees per meter. So it will be 10,000 and 15,000. We will total it up, that will be 25,000. Less trade discount 20%, 5,000. It will be 20,000 and here we will add 5% IGST, that will be 1,000. So it will be 21,000. Fine. Now on October 12, they are asking you to prepare Narayan Rai and Company, Indore, MP return being not up to the approved sample. 25 meter woolen clothes 400 rupees per meter. 400 rupees. So it will be 10,000 and here we will add 5% IGST because CGST and SGST rate is given 2.5% each. Fine. So it will be 500. Here we will write 10,500. Sales return 10,500 IGST. Total amount 10,500. Now on October 20th, they are saying Janki Das, Sitaram, New Delhi. Defective goods of rupees 8,000. So here we will add CGST, SGST 200, 200. The total of the amount is 8,400. Under sales return 8,000, CGST 200, SGST 200 and total amount will be 8,400. Fine. Now on October 28th, it is allowed Allowance allowed to Kesri Lal and Sons, UP. Invoice number 3000. Mistakes in the invoice 3000. So here we will add, we will write mistakes in the invoice 3000 under details, and we will add CGST, SGST 22.5%. That will be 7575, and under total column we will write 3150. And at last we will total on October 31st all the columns. Sales return 41,000, CGST 275, SGST 275, IGST 1500, and total amount is 443,050. Fine. So in this way we are supposed to solve, or we can say do, sales return book as well. Let's see now both the books in one question: purchase return and sales return. See beta, they are asking you to prepare return inward, that is sales return, and return outward, that is purchase return. So let's see. First of all, read this question because it is in the books of Modern Shoes, Kolkata, West Bengal. CGST rate is given 6% here. See, first of all, return outward book. First of all, we are preparing return outward, or we can say purchase return book. Fine. On Jan 3rd, they are saying Bata Shoe Company, Kolkata, 50 pair of chappals at the rate of 600 per pair. So it will be 30,000. Last trade discount 20%, 6,000. Left of the amount 24,000. Here we will add both CGST, SGST 6%, that will be 1,440. So total 26,880. Under purchase return we will write 24,000, CGST 1,440, SGST also same amount, and total is 26,880. On Jan 10, they are saying that the Guru Nanak and Son returned to us. So it is the entry of sales return, not purchase return. Fine. On Jan 15, they are saying return to somebody means it is the entry of purchase return. So we will record here 20 pair of ladies chappal at the rate of 500 per pair, 10,000. Last trade discount 1500. At CGST, SGST 510, and the total of the amount is 9,520. So under purchase return we will write 8,500, and under input CGST, SGST 510 rupees, and total of the amount is 9,520. After 22nd, they are saying return to us. Return to us means this is the entry of sales return, not purchase return. So we will not record this entry here. On 27th also they are saying return to us, so it is sales return entry. On 31st they are saying return to Liberty Shoe Company, means it is the entry of purchase return, so we will record here. It is the entry of Jhansi, so Ranchi, that is Jharkhand, and included in Jharkhand, and it will be defective shoes 5,000. So here we will add 12% IGST 600. Total will be 5,600. So purchase return 5,000, IGST 600, total amount 5,600. So on January 31st, we will total it up all the column. Purchase return 37,500, CGST 1,950, SGST also the same, and input IGST 600. And total of the amount is 42,000. Now we have done purchase return. They are asking you to prepare sales return book as well. Let's prepare. Sales return book 2017 Jan 3rd की entry was related to purchase return. So we have done Jan 10. We will record this entry. 10 pair shoes, 1200 per pair, 12,000. Last TD 12%, 10%, 1200. Add CGST, SGST. So total of the amount is 12,096. Under sales return 10,800, CGST 648, SGST also, IGST no, IGST is there. So total of the amount is 12,096. Now after this, 10th and 15th, Jan 10 and Jan 15 entry is related to purchase return. So we will not record here because we are preparing sales return book. Jan 22, they are saying they return to us, Patna, Bihar, Pratap Footwear Company. So we will record it. 50 pair of shoe, 1400 per pair, 70,000. Less 5% trade discount, 30,500. So it will be 66,500 and add 12% IGST, 7,980. So we will write sales return 66,500, IGST 7,980 and total amount 74,480. On Jan 27, they are saying Mano Shoe and Company returned to us, so we will record it here. 20 pair of sandals at the rate of 1000 rupees per pair. So it will be 20,000. Add 6% CGST, 6% SGST. That will be 1200, 1200. So total of the amount is 22,400 here. Under sales return, we will write 22,400. Output CGST. Sorry, under sales return, we will write 20,000. Output CGST 22,400. 1200. Output SGST also 1200. IGST is not there, and under total column we will write 22,400. Fine. So on Jan 31st we will do total of all the column like sales return 97,300, CGST 1,848, SGST also, IGST 7,980, and total of the column is total of the amount is 1,08,976. Fine. So whenever the question will be like this, like we have to prepare sales return and purchase return both. So first of all, we have to identify the entry related to purchase return and we will record that, and then sales return entry also. Fine. Then we will record in sales return book. So your homework is you have to do till question number 7 and practice illustration till illustration 7 also given in your book.